Where are you from? I'm from Turkey. What do you mean? I don't agree. Where are you going? I'm going to the market. Where have you been? I have been to the mall. Do you play any sports? Yes, I play football. Are you busy? No, I'm free. What day is it? It's Monday. Are you tired? I am a little bit tired. What's your plan for today? I want to relax. Do you need anything? No, I'm good. How do you feel? I feel happy. What happened? I lost my phone. Are you coming with me? Yes, I'm coming. Do you work or study? I work full time. Do you agree? Yes, I agree. Can we talk? Yes, let's talk.